Hi, good evening. This is Indira Shah here. Today I'll be making grapes halwa. It can be halwa or it can be barfi also. This is my first trial. I don't think so anybody has tried this. I just wanted to try. I have taken this grapes, this green Kabul grapes. I have made a juice. Okay, I have taken 3 cups of this Kabul grapes juice. I have not added water at all while making juice because grapes itself has lots of water content. So for 3 cups of juice, I have taken 1 cup of corn flour. You can also take arrowroot or wheat flour also, but today I took corn flour. So 1 cup of corn flour, 3 cup of juice, concentrated juice, and 1 cup of sugar. Okay, now I have added just 1 spoon of ghee. Let me just add another spoon of ghee. This is a small spoon. Okay, so now keep stirring. This combination will be very nice because this grapes is not all that sweet. It is sour, a bit sour. So sweet and sour with ghee, I think will certainly taste awesome. So I thought let me just give a try, and if I succeed, nothing like this. The grape was little sour, so we just couldn't eat it. So I thought I was just thinking what can I do with the grapes. So then I thought why not I try making halwa or barfi. I am not going to add any dry fruits. This is just 1 cup of corn flour and 1 cup of sugar and 3 cups of juice. I have not added water to grapes because grapes itself has water content. After grinding the grapes, after making juice, you have to strain it because otherwise the skin or whatever it is may not be good. You can also try, in fact you can try with any fruit. You can try with mango, you can try with chiku, or you can try with guava, with strawberry. I have tried with strawberry in fact. It was tasting awesome because I used to grow strawberry and I had nearly 100 and not even one survived. I have not added any color. This is the color of the grapes, the green grape. I can show you again, the green grape. This has become halwa, a great halwa. Look, I am trying for the barfi consistency. Let me just try. Let me add 2 more spoons of ghee. I have added 2 more spoons of ghee. What a beautiful halwa. Hope you're all enjoying my channel. Kindly subscribe my channel on YouTube. It's in the name of Indira Shah, INDIRA SHAH. Yeah, let me try. If not barfi, at least halwa. It's leaving the sides of the pan. I have already greased the plate and kept it ready. The grapes halwa. I expected barfi, but then it's okay. I think if I had added maida, I would have got the barfi consistency. I didn't want to use maida more, so I added corn flour. It's almost ready because it is leaving the sides of the pan. I love the sour and sweet combination taste. Let me keep it for another few minutes. It's almost getting over. And after this, I will garnish with cashew and raisins. Now I'll just put off gas. I'll put off the flame. Now let me transfer this to the plate, greased plate. You can see this is the halwa. So let me just wait for the halwa to cool down. I'll come back. I'm going to garnish with the cashews here and there. Let me just spread. I'll just cut it and show you. The halwa looks excellent. It has cooled down. I'll just show you. I'll show you the halwa. It's very nice. Here you can see. Oh, after tasting, I'll tell you how it tastes. So thank you for watching my video. Kindly subscribe. It's in the name of Indira Ashok Shah on YouTube. Thank you very much.